in the box we have a formula which allows us to make explicit formulas for arithmetic sequences. So any term is equal to the first term plus we want to add the common difference n minus 1 times. Not n times, but 1 less than the index of the term that we're on. And we kind of talked about this on questions 5 and 6, where to get the fifth term you need to add the common difference 4 times to the first term. If you want to get the 16th term, you need to add the common difference 15 times to the first term. So it's always 1 less. Okay, it says determine the common difference d, the explicit formula an, and the 100th term a100. So on number 8, my first term is 11, and my common difference is 3, because to get to each term I'm adding 3. So my formula is going to be an is equal to 11 plus n minus 1 times 3. And this is okay. If you want to simplify it, you can. So if I distribute the 3 and then combine like terms, I get 8 plus 3n. And then to get a100, we need to plug in 100. And a100 is 308. On number 9, a1 is equal to 20. D is equal to negative 5. So my an formula is going to be 20 plus n minus 1 times negative 5. So that's okay. Or if you want to simplify it, it'll be 25 minus 5n if you distribute that negative 5 and combine like terms. And then you want to plug in 100 for n, and that will get you the 100th term, and that will be negative 475.